Welcome to this video on how to use Bard AI. Bard is an advanced AI developed by Google. It can generate text, translate languages, create various types of content, and provide informative answers. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Bard, how to use it to ask questions. Let's get started. At first, open browser on your device. I have Chrome browser. I opening Chrome browser. Go to search bar and search for Bard Google AI. You need to sign up on Bard AI. Sign in using your Gmail account. Now, account has been completely activated. Let's start chat with Google Bard AI. You can ask anything on your mind. Maybe Bard AI can give you all answers of your questions.